Welcome back to Brooke and Jake Make, where I'm not Brooke.
And I'm not Jake, and today we're going to be making moldable resin planters.
One eternity later.
We've tried a lot, but you can see some of our failed attempts, which have taught us a couple of things. First, you want to keep your resin thin if you're going to try and mold it over an object. Two, if your moldable object has a little flimsiness to it or wiggle room, that's better because it'll help you release or help it to release from the resin after you've wrapped it around it. And you want to use kind of disposable objects. So let's get into mixing the color and doing our first pour.
Yeah.
All right, we prepped our two pans and started mixing our resin, which is over here. And now we're gonna get our two colors set up, which is Chartreuse and Sunburst Orange. For the small pan, we're gonna do the orange. For the big pan, we're gonna do the green. And we have about 650 milliliters to work with. So we're gonna pour that down to about 16 ounces or just below it for the big pan. And however many ounces that leaves us with for the small pan. And once again, that's so that it's thin and moldable. All right, so now we just wait about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours for this thin of a pour, and then we come out and mold it over our objects.
See you soon.
3 hours later.
All right, so the small one is at the perfect consistency to where we can now mold it. So we're gonna pop it out of our tray and we're gonna use like a little HDX to kind of make it a pot. And on our Tyvek board so that if it drips low enough, it doesn't adhere to the desk. And I'm just gonna try and center this as best I can. Right, like that. And so now, just lay it over there, and now try to kind of form it. This is really gooey, actually. This might be a little too gooey. I'm trying.
It's really pouring.
Oh yeah. So, I'm just gonna let it drip.
Okay.
Like that, actually. I'm not gonna mold it too much then.
1 hour later.
Alright, so, came out here to prepare for Brooke's. And it looks like mine has pretty much completely melted and did not stay together because I was not patient enough. But hers looks like it's at the perfect state. It'll be a little bit more bendy. So let's see if we can make it happen.
Okay, ready?
Ready. All right.
Attempt number like 56. I don't want to like fold it in too much.
As long as you don't create overlapping folds, you're fine. Good morning, beautiful people. We went ahead and took the wax paper off of our molds.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
After about 4 hours of putting them over here, so that way the wax paper didn't stick.
And it did really, really well for hers. For mine, because we have the thin little, like, still bendable sort of lines, it stuck a lot more, and we had to get little tweezers and actually peel the wax off and all the crevices. But all in all, the wax paper worked really, really well. And now it's gonna see if we can get them off of this board and demolded. Okay. Just make yours look easy, why don't you? Holy cow. Oh, here we go. What a pop.
Whoa!
Nice. Oh, mine went like into the bucket.
Oh no. Oh.
Nice!
It's a fork!
I got like a pancake. You got the fork.
You see it? Little fork.
Alright, so now you just repeat this process for as many as you need, and we're gonna do that for a couple different colors. Enjoy the montage. And voila! We have our 4 planters.
Yay.
Now it's time to try and save our succulents.
Yeah.
We brought in our 4 different succulents that we're trying to save, as well as a little surprise succulent that we have yet to do. Obviously, this one has been thriving. This one has some little new grow buds in it. That one is so-so.
Like half thriving, and this one is just like sad and
Yeah.
dying.
So there used to be like 6 or 7 in there.
Yeah.
And we're gonna see if we can't save just one.
Yeah, we're gonna try.
So let's get our mixes going and
Plant. Alright, so we hope you like this video. These planters are super unique and turn out different every single time you do them. Whether they fail or they succeed, they're amazing and they look beautiful. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and smash that like button with a hammer. And remember to do something that makes you happy every single day. Thanks for watching. Bye!